How to add Thunderstick to Fire TV. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add Firestick to your Thunder TV. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So if you want to access the free trial for Thunder TV, you first need to visit this website right here and then click on try for 1 day. Then it will direct you to your email account with the respective device and you will see a pre-written mail. Just click on send. You don't have to make any changes to the email's body or subjects. And within a few minutes, you will get an email from Thunder TV and free login credentials. So you'll just have to enter the login trial and you can enjoy the Thunder TV for free for an entire day. Now, if you want to add Thunder TV on Firestick, what you need to do is first turn on your Firestick device and go to Firestick's home. Here is the home icon right here. Then you have to click on the settings icon, and once you get to the settings, click on My Fire TV. Then you can go to About section right here. Then click on Fire TV Stick Lite. And once you have done that, you need to click on this 7 times to enable the developers options. So go ahead and click on it, but if it says no need, you are already a developer, then just stop clicking and your developers mode will be activated. So if you find the developers option, just go ahead and click on it and then choose this options app from unknown sources. Then go ahead and turn this one on. So what this will do is it will allow you to download apps from unknown sources, which also includes the Fire Stick. Now you have to return to the Fire Stick home by pressing the home icon and then click on Find. Now select the search icon and search for Downloader. Go ahead and type this out and select the Downloader app. Go ahead and click on it and then click this download button right here. Wait for the installation to complete. Then click on Open, and once you have done that, you can select Allow to give access to the downloader app, and then here click on OK to start a guide. Now just go ahead and click on this home icon and then search for this right here, TV Made Player, and then from IPTV Media and Players category. Now once you have done that, you can start the download process, then click on Install. And once the app is installed, press and done. Then click delete to remove the TV Made APK from your Fire Stick. Now after deleting this, you can just go ahead, tap on delete to confirm. Then open a VPN to connect it to this location right here. Long press on the home button on the Fire Stick remote to navigate to your apps. Then choose this TV Made IP player. And after you've done that, you can select Add Playlist right here, navigate to Extreme Codes, and after that, you just have to enter your credentials and then tap on Next. Then wait for the playlist to load, and once the playlist is loaded, just click on Done. Then select a channel. Now once you have done that, you can enjoy the streaming. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.